Okay, I just had to replace one of my TPMS sensors in my 2016 GMC Sierra. One of them was intermittent. Kept bringing the TPMS light on. I finally got tired of that, so I had one installed in the tire here on the left front, and we're going to program the TPMS sensors using the EL50-448 or the OEC-T5. Not sure what it actually goes by, but these are about, I think they're about 20 bucks. You can get them online, and super easy to do. Once you get in the truck, obviously you can see that I've got a tire pressure monitor system message. So once you get to this screen, and of course you just use your buttons here to cycle through everything, you're going to push and hold the center button. So I'm pushing, holding it. You'll hear the horn honk twice. It'll say tire learning active. And you always start with the left front. You're going to hold the tool right here by the valve stem, and you're just going to push and hold the button. You're going to hear the horn honk. Then you're going to go to the right front, do the same thing. When you hear the horn honk, the right rear. And then, last but not least, the left rear. And you'll hear, whenever you hear the left rear tire horn honk once, about 2 seconds later you'll hear that double horn honk, which means that all of them have been learned. And as you can see now, I've got my display up here, and all of them are reading. So that's how easy it is. I'll put a link to this tool. You know, anytime you not only replace a TPMS sensor, but if you rotate your tires, you need to do this. That way the tire pressures will read correctly up on your display. And that's about all I've got. Just wanted to show that how easy it is to reprogram your TPMS sensors when you need to. I'm out. You guys take care.